Amidst the dense urban fabric and the noise of nearby highways, House stands as a peaceful and verdant retreat for a family in Vietnam. Designed by and Nam architecture, this 370 square meter villa responds to the need for tranquility and connection to nature, offering a refreshing take on tropical design that is well suited for high-density city life. The house features a closed facade that shields it from outside noise and pollution, providing full privacy for its residents. Yet once inside, visitors are welcomed by a lush inner garden that hosts a variety of natural elements: swimming pool, fish pond, fruit trees, and a vegetable garden, carefully arranged to create an immersive living environment. The main house consists of 2 floors. On the ground level, the living room, kitchen, and reading space are organized in a Z-shaped layout that connects the front and backyards. This configuration enhances cross-ventilation and welcomes cool breezes from the southeast, creating an open and comfortable social area. Natural materials were carefully selected and expertly crafted throughout the home. Sandstone walls, basalt floors, and teak wood for flooring, doors, and furniture blend harmoniously with exposed concrete ceilings, creating a grounded, calming ambience that reflects the essence of nature. A standout element of the design is the spiral-shaped sandstone wall that wraps around the house. This wall acts as a visual screen while defining a path that transitions from enclosed to open spaces, eventually leading into the garden. It blurs the boundaries between indoor and outdoor, establishing a strong architectural dialogue with nature. The second floor offers more privacy, featuring a master bedroom, a smaller bedroom, a flexible working space, and a room for worship. A large central void links both floors visually and functionally, allowing light and air to move freely throughout the interior. In addition to the main house, the property includes a small retreat house designed for guests. It contains 2 bedrooms and an outdoor kitchen, with a spacious veranda that opens directly to the swimming pool and garden, making it ideal for leisure or entertaining. House is more than just a place to live. It is a thoughtful architectural statement about balance between humans and the environment. Its design reinterprets traditional Vietnamese tropical homes in a contemporary way, embracing natural elements while offering modern comfort. It serves as a compelling reference for those seeking a home that feels open, peaceful, and deeply connected to its surroundings.